Hello students, welcome back, and we will do the exercises of lesson 2 in this video, and the explanation of this chapter has been completed. So we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so our first exercises is name the following. So let's see what is it. Name the following. First are nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. You have to write the nutrients name which give energy to our body. So what is it? I hope you know that. The nutrients: carbohydrate, and fats. These two nutrients give energy to our body. Okay. Next, the nutrients that are needed for growth and maintenance of our body, that is protein. Protein is needed for growth and maintenance in our body. Next, a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. I hope you know that which vitamin needed for good eyesight. It is vitamin A. Okay. Next, a mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. You have to answer this question carefully. There is asking for the mineral, not vitamin. So if there is a asking for the mineral, the answer will be calcium. Okay. If in the place of mineral there, if there will be a vitamin that is required for keeping our bones healthy, then the answer will be vitamin D. Okay, but here it is asking for the mineral, so it will be calcium. So don't get confused in that. Okay, so it is called one word answer. Next, exercise number 2. Name 2 foods each rich in. Means you have to give 2 examples of food that rich in. First, fat. So fat is found in which feed? You have to give only 2 examples. So what is it? Fat. Okay. So there is a many example of food which is rich in fat, and we have to give only 2 names. So there will be oil, and second, butter. Okay, if you want to write other name, you can write it, but it should be rich in fat. Second is starch. So starch is found in potato and rice. Okay, dietary fibers, you know that the dietary fibers are found in the product which is made of whole grains and fresh fruit. Next, protein. Okay, you have to write only 2 examples, so it will be milk and protein. Sorry, milk and pulses. Okay, so let's see our next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Our first fill up is dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? We have discussed about all the deficiency diseases in last video, so you can find the answer from there. But I am going to tell you the which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. Okay, it's let's move on. Next, deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. So beriberi is caused by deficiency of which minerals or vitamins? I hope you know that answer. Beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B. Okay. Next, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin C? Is scurvy. Okay. Next, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our body. I hope you know that answer. I am giving this for your homework. Okay, you have to write, fill this thing कि night blindness is caused of which deficiency of which vitamin. Okay. Next, true or false? By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. It is possible to fulfill the all nutritions by eating only rice. It is possible. Do you think that if we eat only rice, we get all the nutritions? I hope you know that answer. No, we have to eat all the food and the for which for to get all the nutrition. So it would be false. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Yes, we can prevent a deficiency diseases by eating balanced diet. Next, balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food. Yes, it should have variety of food that all the nutritions we will get. So this is the last one. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. Like that, if rice is not sufficient, then how can we meat? Meat alone is not sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. So it is false. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you have understand all the exercises. So I'm seeing this, I'm showing this again so you can see all these things. Okay, so first name the following. Second, name two foods each rich in. Okay, and next fill in the blanks. I'm showing you again, and this is your homework. You have to find the answer of this fill up. Night blindness is caused due to which, lacking of which vitamin? I'm saying again vitamin. Don't write any other nutrition. And last one is fill up. Okay, I'm showing you so you can read it, and that's it for today. And I hope you will understand all these exercises. If there is any confusion, you can ask me in the group. Okay, till then, thank you.